Good morning, what a day today. No rain, so we're going to press on. And let's start with these. I'm hoping to draw up the frame for all of this, sketch it out. I have to make this little mark on all of the portals, and they all need to be widened slightly wider. So let's get on with that. Seriously, what a day. Alright, it seems that my card corrupted yet again. I need to get a new SD card. But okay, so I have test fitted these now, having widened everything. So what needs to happen is I'll take all of these out. I need to do some fairing on the outside. I'll do that now as it gets a little bit warmer. And then hopefully paint. Obviously that's not completely done yet, that still needs to get done, but for the other two they're just about okay. I noticed this window is right up against the edge there, whereas this one was a bit lower down, so the original holes were never in the right place to begin with. So that's kind of annoying, but it's barely noticeable unless you open the window or try and close the other one. that's going to have to be it for now. I will be working on the anchor tomorrow. There'll be no videos over the weekend. I'll keep the daily vlog going only during the week. So Monday's episode will be a little bit bigger, longer, because I'm working on the anchor. I've got to do a lot of grinding and such. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. Sunday I'll come back and hopefully I'll be able to sand the outside and get the first coat of primer on the other side of the coach roof from the outside. If I can get the first coat of primer on and a good sand, I'll be really happy, because next week it will set us up for a good week of getting all of that done. I might even get the blue painted in, and we might even bed these windows. Well, we'll get definitely 2 in. The third one is reliant on me routing out and fixing the corner a little bit here more on the inside. But that'll have to wait until next week. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.